Operation requires no electricity, and using it is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, sit down on your eco seat. To begin a wash, turn the dial after picking your nozzle position. The nozzles will go through a brief self-clean as you turn the dial for either a front or rear cleansing. For a rear or posterior wash, turn the dial counterclockwise or roll it back while seated. The further the dial is turned, the stronger the water pressure will be. For a front or feminine wash, turn the dial clockwise. The further the dial is turned, the stronger the water pressure will be. To stop the flow of water, turn the dial back to its original center position so that the indicator hash on the dial aligns with the top notch on the body of the seat. It will click in place, closing off the valve. If you've installed the included hot water tubing to your eco seat, you also have water temp options. Simply turn the temperature control dial clockwise or roll it forward for warmer water and counterclockwise or roll it back for cooler. By adjusting the temperature dial, you should find the perfect temperature for your wash